Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Animals World. Cats are known for their independent nature and love for adventure. They are natural hunters and explorers, which is why they love to roam around and discover new things. While domesticated cats may not have the same opportunities to explore as their wild, they still retain their natural instincts and love for adventure. This is why cats honor take their furry friends out on walks, hikes, and even camping trips. One of the most fascinating places of cats to explore in the forest. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife, including birds, squirrels, and other small mammals that cat loves to chase. They also provide a plenty of opportunities for cats to climb trees, hide behind bushes, and explore new areas. It's no wonder that forest pics of cats are so popular online. In this video, we will take a closer look at the world of cats in forest pics. We will explore the beauty of forest and the wild side of our feline friends. We will also discuss why cats love forest and what we can do to make their outdoor adventure safe and enjoyable. The beauty of forest are some of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring places on earth. They are home to a variety of trees, planets, and wildlife that make them unique and captivating. Forests come in all shapes and sizes, from dense rainforest to open woodlands. Each forest has its own character and charm, and they all provide a sense of peace and tranquility. When we look at forest pics of cats, we can the beauty of the forest through their eyes. Cats have a unique perspective on the world, and their view of the forest is no exception. They see the forest as a playground, a place to explore, and a home for many of their furry friends. Through their forest pics, we can see the forest in a new light and appreciate its beauty even more. While cats are often seen as a domesticated animals, they still retain their wild side. Through forest pics of cats, we can see this wild side in action. We can see them crouching low to the ground, eyes fixed on their target, ready to pounce. We can see them climbing trees with ease, using their sharp claws to grip to the bark. We can also see their playful side as they chase others through the forest and play with fallen leaves and twigs. For more video, kindly subscribe our channel.